Okay, morning, hi folks. This was sent to me from a company, so would I do a quick review on it and have a look at it. It's called a multifunction small desk lamp, as you can see. Let's zoom into the statistics so you can see that. There we go. Okay, what's it say? Yeah, so it'll charge from a computer, 5 volt, batteries 2000 mAh. 3.4 watt. Anyway, let's open up and have a look what we get. I've not opened it, I've not touched it yet, it's just come through the post, so let's have a little see what we get. Zoom back out. Okay, we got the C charger, USB-C charger. It's also, I believe, a power pack. Get okay, can we see that? All right. Zoom in on that. There we go. A lamp holder, USB interface, C-type interface, and the switch. Alright, so you can charge from that, so I could charge my phone. We'll have a go down a bit. Does that unscrew? No, it's there, ready to go. By the look of it. There we go. Oh, right, there you go. So it's pre-charged. Well, it comes with a bit of charging by the look of it. What modes we got? Oh, brighter. Oh, right, okay. Pretty good. So you got 3 settings for the torch. You got one, which is this medium light, and then, no, it's medium light, low light, medium light, high light. Pretty good. So the head comes up, like so, and turns. Does it twist? No, it just goes up like that. So we can stand that. Let's have a look. Bring it down a bit. See if we can look at this. Right. Freestanding lamp. Pretty good. I like it. Alright, and it's a torch as well. Pretty good, pretty bright. We'll test it in the dark, see how good it is anyway. Right, let's see if it charges. 1 second. So this should charge my phone while I'm using it as a recorder. Let's have a look. You should hear it. All right. And plug it in. The lights come on. Let me just pause a sec. Okay, so I had to pop out the video just to look at my settings, and yeah, it's charging as well. So it's got 200 milliamp, 2000 milliamp charge on it as well. Impressive. We'll try it down the woods when it's dark, and we'll have a look in the cabin. So I'll catch you a bit later. Okay, so we got the little portable lamp, table lamp, and charger unit. So I'm going to turn the light off now, and we're going to have a look what it's like. We're in the woods. It's absolutely, as you can see, well, you will see in a minute, pitch black. 2 seconds. Right, that's it. And there we go, that is low. Medium. Not bad, not bad at all. And full. So there's a table lamp as well. Let's do this one-handed. There we go. So she now stands up as a table lamp. Yeah, pretty good. Very handy bit of kit. If you're camping, you can use it as a lantern. It's pretty well. Let's have a look. It lights up the area quite well, actually. There we go. Let's take it in the cabin. Let's have a look what it's like in the cabin. So we're going to make a cup of tea, no problem whatsoever, enough light with that. Let's try the next one. 2, 3. There we go. I mean, even if you put it up on the ceiling, well, it's lighting up the cabin quite nicely. Yeah, very impressed with that. I'll leave a link in the description down below of the Amazon link for you if you're interested. Not bad. It's like you said, it's a table lamp, charger, torch, all in one. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. That would be great. And like I said, the for buying it will be a link in the description down below. All right. Take care. See you in the next vid.